This is Health 54 right here on your digital first Pan-African News Network, TOS Television. I am Rose Audu. 2 people in the east of England have been diagnosed with Lassa fever and acute viral illness after traveling to West Africa. A third probable case is also under investigation and being treated at Bedfordshire hospitals. It was gathered that the cases were within the same family in the east of England. Most people make a full recovery, but severe cases can be fatal. One of the confirmed cases will receive specialist treatment at the Royal Free London NHS Foundation Trust. A French scientist, Luc, who won the Nobel Prize for Medicine for his co-discovery of the HIV virus that causes AIDS, has died at age 89. Luc shared the 2008 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine with his colleague Francois Barcinois for their discovery of human immunodeficiency virus, which causes AIDS, but he was sidelined by the scientific community in later years as he took up positions judged to be increasingly outlandish, notably against vaccines. And at least 85 children have tested positive to HIV in Taraba State, according to the Director of Treatment, Care and Support in the State Action Committee on AIDS, Ronald Cletus. Cletus made a disclosure while speaking on Wednesday in Jalingo during a 2-day training exercise for 60 community mobilizers and testers. The training was organized by the Society for Family Health in Taraba to curtail the transmission of HIV and AIDS among pregnant women and children. An outbreak of cholera in the central western African state of Cameroon has killed at least 32 people. The waterborne disease was first detected in the southwest and central regions in late October and then spread to 3 other regions. According to the Health Minister, Manoda Malike, in a statement, there were 32 deaths out of 1,102 recorded cases as of January 1, 2022. Outbreaks of cholera occur periodically in Cameroon. The country's last epidemic, that was between January and August 2022, killed 62 people. And the Medical Director of Federal Medical Center, Abeokuta, Professor Adewale Olumu, has said there is a discovery in the management of cancer, saying some forms of cancer can be determined by genetic and family history. Olumu stated that with an early test for cancer, many patients can be saved, noting that there has been a rise in the death of cancer patients as a result of late detection. The medical expert said it was possible to detect cancer through people's fingerprints. This is TOS Television Network and you're watching Health 54. More stories when we return. Welcome back. Operatives of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency have intercepted 40,250 kilograms of codeine worth over 2 billion naira imported in 240 food containers from India. The drug burst comes on the heels of a similar seizure of 14,080 kilogram codeine syrup and 4,352.43 kg cold caps used to conceal the former in a 40-foot container imported from India on February 2, 2022 at the Apapa seaport. The United Nations Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs has said that nearly 1.4 million children under the age of 5 years in northeast Nigeria are expected to suffer from acute malnutrition in the coming years as a result of the ongoing insurgency crisis by non-state armed groups. The UN's interim resident and humanitarian coordinator in Nigeria, Matthias Shamel, said this in Abuja on Wednesday at the presentation of the 2022 Humanitarian Response Plan for Northeast Nigeria. About 14 cases of infection with guinea worm, a parasite that causes painful skin injuries, were reported in humans in 2021. This is the lowest tally ever for an infection that as recently as the 1980s was found in more than 20 countries and infected 3.5 million people a year. However, a remaining reservoir for the parasite in animals means eradication could be a while off, if indeed it is possible, say some scientists. The reduction is as a result of a near 40-year effort by international organizations and national governments to rid the world of guinea worm. And Chinese biologists have reviewed the mechanism behind an anti-disease wheat mutant developed using genome editing technology. The editing technology to enable elite wheat varieties to resist powdery mildew, a severe crop disease without yield losses, according to a study published on Thursday in the journal Nature. The study was carried out by researchers from the Institute of Genetics and Developmental Biology and the Institute of Microbiology, both under the Chinese Academy of Sciences. The International Testing Agency has confirmed that teenage Russian figure skater Kamila failed a drug test in December. The Liva 15 helped win team figure skating gold for the Russian Olympic Committee on Monday, but the medals were not awarded as a result of a legal issue. That is Health 54 right here on your digital first Pan-African News Network, TOS Television. For more updates, visit www.tostvnetwork.com. Do follow and like TOS TV Network on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And remember to subscribe on YouTube. Stay with us and enjoy more programs on TOS Television Network. Remember, health is wealth. So till I come your way again, to stay healthy. I am Rose Audu, and many thanks for watching.